Hello and welcome to Thornsett TV. Today I'm going to show you what to do if your fuse board has tripped. So you've got all your breakers along here. You may get here and one of the breakers will be down, or the RCD, which is the bigger two, will be in the central position like that. The best way to do it is completely switch everything off and put everything back up like so. It may be a case that there's something plugged into the socket, like a faulty hairdryer, that's caused it to trip, and that may stop this from going all the way back up. So what to do, switch everything off bar the RCD. The RCD should then go up, and then you can put these on one by one, and you can see what ring is causing it to trip. Thank you.